This video shows you how to install and connect your campaign monitor app to your GHL workflow, and you can have some actions which will permit you to directly interact with campaign monitor and from your workflows. You can see here a list of actions: create list, update list, delete list, and add subscribers. These are some basic actions that you can carry out from your workflow on campaign monitor. We're going to show you real quick how to set that up. Now you need to connect to your GHL plugins account. While in there, you can go to workflow apps. If you click on workflow apps, you're going to see this interface, the available apps. Here you can search for campaign monitor. You search for campaign, you would see campaign monitor like this one. You click on campaign monitor. Then this is, we are trying to install campaign monitor to our GHL agency. You need to connect your agency from here. You click on the agency, then you select, you enable these boxes, then you proceed, and that connection will be done. Your installation has been completed on your GHL account. Now, what is the next step? If this is your first app, you need to set up a custom menu link where you'll be able to access all your installed apps from your GHL sub account. If you have already done this, then you can skip this step for now. For those who haven't done this, if this is your first installation, you can click on here to copy. You copy that, you go to your GHL and you switch to the agency view. You go to settings, go to custom menu link, you click on create new, you select an icon for your menu, you put in a name for your custom menu, then you paste in the link you copied earlier. You can select the preferences. You might want to go for account sidebar or all accounts. Then you set up the preferences and you save. When that has been saved, you just need now to switch to the sub account you want to use. While in that sub account, you look for the custom link that you added earlier, custom menu. When it appears, you're going to see available apps, and you can search for your campaign monitor here under available apps. Since I have connected already, I am going to search under the connected apps just to show you how to connect this. Now you click on campaign monitor under available apps, the apps available. You click on campaign monitor, it's going to refer you to this pop-up, and you need to put in your API key and your client ID. How do you get the API key and the client ID on campaign monitor? Let me show you very quick. You go to your campaign monitor, you go to your campaign monitor, you log in, and you click on your profile. You go to account settings. In there, you're going to see API keys. Go there, and you can, if you don't have an API key yet, you can generate one. If you don't have one yet, you're going to be asked to enter your, to click on generate. You enter your password and one will be generated for you. Here I can show my API key, entering my password, and that's my API key. When I get my API key, I get my client ID. I can paste this information in here. You need the API key and the client ID. You paste and submit, and all your connection and setup has been done. Now you're good to go with using your actions in the workflow. How do you use this? You already have the basic triggers that you need in order to trigger your workflow, which are the necessities, the regular things that you always do to trigger workflows: adding tags to a contact, moving them in the pipeline stage, maybe form submitted, appointment booked, or whatsoever you want to have. Now we have this as actions. We can go under actions, and if you do a quick search for campaign monitor, you fall on campaign monitor service. These are basically the actions that you can use under campaign monitor service. You can add a subscriber, you can delete a list, you can update a list, and you can create a list. Those are basically the 4 actions that we have for now. Then you can carry out from your workflow to on campaign monitor, and the setup has gone through successfully. If you need any further support, please let us know. I will be ready to jump on the call with you to assist you.